In today's video, we'll be reviewing Texta AI, which is an AI copywriter that allows you to generate long form content for your blog, e-commerce, social media and more. It appears pretty simple to use. Basically, you go ahead and enter the topic that you're trying to write about and you'll get a full length blog post. You can also generate a copy in different languages. So that's a pretty cool feature because I know some AI copywriters are only available in English. So if you are in a different language, then this may be useful for you. It seems to be a pretty decent tool. It's very reasonably priced at just $49 and has over 311 reviews, which are 4.5 star out of 5. So let's go ahead and take a deep dive into Texta.ai to see how it matches up against some of the other top AI copywriters on the market. So I'll leave a link to the lifetime deal in the description below this video. So Texta.ai is available on appsumo. So here you can see it has got around 311 reviews, which are 4.5 star, and this is available for a one-time purchase of just $69. So let's check out the features here. So in $69 you get unlimited credits, then you get one user seat, also you get free Grammarly integration along with this, then we get pro writing assistant, so Zapier integration is coming soon, then we have this SEO keyword research, professional editor, and it supports 25 languages. So this is direct alternative to Jarvis, Writesonic, then Papertype, Writer, Copysmith, etc. So let's log into Texta.ai and see what they have to offer. So this is the home screen of Texta.ai, and here as you can see you can find the long form editor here. So here you'll be able to create blog post, academic articles, then real estate blog post, marketing blog post, article, then business blog, health and wellness blog, lifestyle blog, guide article, blog intros, essay intros. Then we have this blog outline, blog titles, paragraph generator, how to blog article. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to select a blog and I'm going to show you how you can write a blog post in no time. So I'll just select this real estate blog here, and the topic is already mentioned here, renting versus buying, which is better. So here you'll be able to select the type of the article you want to create. So how to, then we have this big secret, the numbers, emotional words, hook, inspirational. Okay, so I'll just keep it as it is for how to, and here on the right hand side you'll be able to change the variables here. Once you click on simple here, okay, you just have to select the input language, output language. But if you select advanced, here you'll be adjust the creativity also. You can adjust the creativity here. So I'll just keep 90%. So here as you can see you can adjust the tone here, like formal, informal. Then we have sad, fearful, friendly, hopeful. You can keep the tone of voice here. Then also you can adjust the style here. This is speech, descriptive. Then we have informal, formal. So after that you need to just mention the target audience here. So the target audience will be realtors and buyers. Also in the advanced setting you can adjust the article length here. So whether you want a short article or a long article, you can adjust that. Also you can adjust the creativity directly from here. I'll click on apply and I'll click on generate title. So here as you can see the titles has been generated. So if you don't like any title here, you can just click on regenerate titles here. So I've selected this one, first one, and let's click on generate outline. So these are all the outlines which are generated. So here as you can see, so if you don't like any outline, you can just delete that. So let's say if I don't like this outline, I can just delete that, and if you want to add anything you can just add it here. So if you want to add any outline manually, you can add it here. So you just have to write it here. So I'll keep it as it is. So rest everything is the same. We have the introduction. So this one is the header 2, then we have the header 3 here. Then again we have header 2, header 3. Okay, and after that we have this conclusion here. So I'll just click on finish here, and it will take couple of minutes here. So here, as you can see, so the entire article has been created in no time. So this is the main editor here. Now suppose if you want to add any paragraph here, so you just have to click on add more here, and here you just have to, so you have to just take the cursor here to the new line, and you have to click on add paragraph here. So here, as you can see, up to 100 words. So the AI will add up to 100 words, and if you want to add sentence, so this is up to 30 words. So as you can see, the paragraph has been added. So once everything is done, you just have to click on save here. Just give it a name. You can add the details of the project and click on save. So similarly, you can write articles for different topics here. So if we are writing the article for arts and culture, okay, so you have to select this one. So if you are writing for e-commerce, you have to select this one. And if you want to create a general blog post, so you can just select this one here. So next what we have is in the product. So here you'll be able to add e-commerce blog, real estate blog, social media marketing blog. Then we have the PR here. Then in the e-commerce, you can find this Amazon product description here. Then we have this social ads here. So here you'll be able to generate LinkedIn ads, Google description. Then we have this ad copy, Facebook headlines. Then we have this product description. And in the startup tools, we get value proposition. Then we have slogan generator, brand mission, startup ideas, text hook, and there are a variety of options here. So then we have this website copy here. So this is subheader text, question generator, event description, meta description. Then we have this sales copy here, marketing strategy, AIDA copywriting, features to benefit. So let's check out this marketing strategy here. So I've just mentioned the product here, AI powered content writing tool. And in the advanced setting, you'll be able to select the language here. I'll keep it as it is. So you just have to click on create here. So here, as you can see, these are all the results here. So this is the first output here. Develop a market research plan to identify the target audience for your AI powered content writing tool. The second is create a white paper or online article about the benefits of using your AI powered content writing tool. Then we have the develop a social media campaign to promote your AI powered content writing tool. So this is the marketing strategy you can use. So if you don't like any of the results here, so you can click on make more, and the AI will give you more outputs. So similarly, you can write email or letter here, welcome email, follow-up email, confirmation email, thank you note, cancellation email. Also in the career section, you'll be able to add LinkedIn profile headline, LinkedIn profile summary. Then we have this cover letter. Overall, I am really impressed by this AI copywriting tool because it has a lot of really unique and very useful and intuitive features that allow you to generate articles very quickly, but also buff up that content very easily, and they seem to have a good variety of short form templates as well. So you can go ahead and generate copy for any type of scenario in which you are looking for. I will definitely recommend going ahead and grabbing this. So if you want me to do a deeper review of this tool, or a review of a specific feature or a template, or a comparison of this tool with other AI writing tool in the market, so let me know in the comments down below. As always, if you like this video, give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll see you in the next video.